Welcome to this great day learn Hausa language. Yes, in this video we want to learn how to greet in Hausa language because some non-native Hausa speakers they don't really know how to greet. Yes, I want us to learn how to greet. So follow me. We are going to start. Greeting. In every language there is three methods of greeting. There is method we use to greet in the morning, and there is for afternoon, and there is also for night. So we are going to start one by one now. Yes. Number one, when you wake up, you wake up, you have to go and greet your parents or your neighbor. You have to say barka da safiya, barka da safiya. That means good morning, what's up. Yes, in the morning. And after that, in the afternoon, when it's afternoon, so somebody you say barka da rana. That means barka da rana means it's afternoon. Yes, you saw your friends, you wanna greet even your father or mother, you gonna say barka da rana mama. Mama means mother. If it is your friend, you are going to say barka da rana aboki. Aboki means friends. They are my friends. Abokina. That is why Hausa usually greets. And in the night, when it's night, you're gonna say barka da dare, barka da dare. That means good evening, barka da dare. Yes, I hope this video it is helpful. What we want is to continue following us, liking this video, sharing with friends. We are going to be bringing videos like this, like every weeks we are going to be publishing video in order to achieve our goal of speaking Hausa fluently for non-Hausa speakers.